So here I am, guys, the man without the mask. And what we're going to do today is a little bit different. Yes, we're going to go use the microscope upstairs, but now I'm going to show you a bunch of stuff. And where am I going to get the stuff from? Where am I going to get my plant cells from? The refrigerator. So let's look at the different things that I'm going to put under the microscope today. Let's see what we have here. Oh, we have some leftover fruit. So I've got mango, blueberry, strawberry, all going under the microscope. I have baby Bella mushrooms going under the microscope. I've got olives. Let's look at some olives underneath the microscope. I've got carrots, baby carrots. I've got spinach. What else do I have in here? I've got lemons and limes. I've got cucumbers, cherries. There's a lot of stuff to put under the microscope. Hopefully I'll get to it all. This is going to be fun. You'll be seeing it all soon. See ya.